Here we go, guys. Mystery tackle box. This is May 2024. This is the Elite Series. This is in Texas. Go off what's the inside. 7 items this month. Here's the total. Have to make a comment here that they got the stock cards back instead of the shipping labels. This is a first. This is shows one of the lures here, the Buka baby bull rat. And okay, it's the monthly spotlight. Tips and tricks. We'll start off with the bull rat. This is in coal color. That's kind of cool. It looks like it has also a different tail. Or maybe it's just a replacement tail. Yeah, I think it might just be a replacement tail because it looks like it actually is the same exact tail. There's no different action on it. Very cool. This is why I like the mystery tackle boxes, because this is a bait that, is probably fun to throw. I wouldn't buy it. I also wouldn't spend $20 on it. The Z-Man cross-eyed chatterbait. Oh, look at this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna have to contact mystery tackle box. Well, wait a minute. This is kind of confusing. Okay, so they have the Z-Man cross-eyed chatterbait. There's no chatterbait, but there's a Guggen Squad popping filthy frog, which is also not listed on here. So maybe that's just a mistake. I don't know if this is $10, but well, okay. It's the first mistake I've seen. This is the popping filthy frog from Guggen Squad. This is in bone color. Team Arc, the crankbait. This is the CMT-10. Looks like it's a mid-depth. And that's in Fire Craw. And the depth, it looks like 6 to 10 feet. The next thing is the Z-Man Long Shot Z. Gobi Bryant. Got some purple flake, some gold, some black. The next thing is the Euro Tackle B Vibe. Okay. This is Bluegill Pro, another finesse bait. Might have to switch around, guys. The lighting's not great here. The Lunker Hunt Finesse Craw. This looks like you have a little Ned head. And then you got it's pre-rigged and you got a couple extra. And this is in Toxic Pumpkin. Lastly is the penetration hooks. This is a flipping hook. This is a 5/0 pack of 2. We got our sticker. Alright, that's an interesting box. The only thing, like I said, is the this has the cross-eyed chatterbait, which I actually already have, so I'm okay having the filthy frog. The only thing I'm concerned about is I don't know if this is $10 and the cross-eye is $10. Kind of curious. I may contact them before I post this so I can give you guys an update on what they said. But let me know what you guys think. Until next time.